Hi, this is a review of the order trading system activity for January the 14th, 2022. We had 5 trades on that day, 4 were buys and 1 was a short sell. First trade was INTU. That's Intuit Incorporated, tripped at 1:11:46 p.m. at a price of 546.21. It was a short sell. It closed the day at 550.79, down 0.39% and up 0.22% after hours. So that stock actually made some sort of recovery. So I thought that was 11:46. It's 1:11:46. Yeah, I'm thinking, how can it be 11:46? 11:46 was peaking. 1:46. Yeah. So it actually tripped around here and then recovered. So that stock doesn't look like a positive because it didn't maintain its downward trend. You see, OVB came down and recovered. MACD came down, recovered. DI came down, recovered. That came down. Yeah, that's a negative result. Just the stock just happened to recover after it tripped. Next stock is PACB. That's Pacific Biosciences of California Incorporated, tripped at 1:55:38 p.m. at a price of $12.31. It was a buy, and it closed the day at $12.43. It was down 5.83%, but up 0.40% after hours, so that's a positive. And I'll check the indicators. The volume looks good, a nice good steady rise from late morning. MACD came up, stayed up, which is good. DI came up in the afternoon, stayed up. Volume demand pretty much had a good steady climb in the afternoon, so that stock definitely was moving positive. Next trade is GT. That's the Goodyear Tire and Rubber Company, tripped at 2:29 p.m. at a price of $23.62. It was a buy. Closed the day at $24.12, up 2.86% and up 0.12% after hours. That's another positive. Check the indicators on that. Yeah, volume looks good. Afternoon it was all rising. MACD same averages came up, stayed up, which is good. DI came up, stayed up, and orderIT came up. So that stock definitely was moving positive too. Next stock is RRC. That's Range Resources Corporation. Tripped at 2:14 p.m. at a price of $21.58. It was a buy. It closed the day at $21.79, up 2.16% and up 0.05% after hours. That's another positive. Let's check the indicators on that. Excuse me. Yeah, afternoon volume was up. MACD came up and stayed up okay. DI came up and stayed up. 1 gram came up, stayed up. That stock also was moving positive. Next trade is Marathon Oil Corporation, tripped at 3:27 p.m. at a price of $19.37. It was a buy. Closed the day at $19.47, up 4.85% and up 0.15% after hours. That's another positive. Okay. Volume looks like it was steadily rising all day. MACD pretty much rising all afternoon. DI bouncing back and forth here. Late afternoon period, it did come up. It was up a good period of most of the afternoon, but you see a little bit of a drop there in the mid-afternoon. But volume demand shows that the price activity was pretty much a steady incline. So that stock also was moving positive, not strongly as the other ones, but still positive. So that's 4 out of 5 stocks, which is 80%, and also possibility is also 80% because there was no possible stocks in there. And I'll leave it at that. Thank you.